The variable speed switch in your cordless tool performs a couple of functions. First, it allows you to turn the tool on and off and adjust the motor speed, and second, it allows you to change the direction the motor rotates. Over time, the switch can wear out, either not turning on or losing its ability to vary the speed of the motor. Replacing the variable speed switch is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Soja.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear cover from the housing. Now remove one half of the housing. There's a label between the two sides of the housing. I'll cut that label with a knife. And now I can separate the two halves. With the housing removed, now I have access to the switch and all of its wiring. I'll begin disconnecting the wiring. I'll pull the connector out for the LED light and disconnect it. Now I'll pull out the battery connector. I'll take note of the location of each of the wires and then disconnect them. Now lift the switch away from the housing. Again, note the location of the wires and remove them. Now I'll begin installing the new switch. First, I need to transfer the heatsink from the old switch to the new. It's held in place with a screw. Now I'll reconnect the wires. The red wire from the brushes connects to the M1 connector. The black brush wire to M2. The black battery wire goes to the negative terminal. The yellow wire in the center. And the red wire to the positive connector. I'll realign the battery connector with the housing and slide it in place. Now I'll align the switch with the housing, as well as the heatsink. I'll tuck the wires down into the housing and reconnect the connector for the LED light. And tuck the connector down into the housing. Now I'll reinstall the housing and secure it with the screws. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the rear cover. And that's how you can replace the switch in your cordless drill. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.